Hello, today I'm going to show you how to attach a new and nice looking center wheel nut cover plate. You can see this system behind this cap is with a little spring and 4 nipples. And if we're going to get this flat on our tires and push this in one turn into it, you can see it will locks into position nearly automatically. Then push a little bit to control it, and if it is flat installed, you will not lose it again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.